Here we are at a new home that I've just been asked to consult at, and we're going to get inside and have a look here. A little bit of a 1980s vibe going on, and this house is going to be flipped, so the challenge here is to use the budget wisely and see if we can bring some updates to this space. So there's a really nice wide hallway and generous stairs coming up, and a sight line right down here into the kitchen. And there's the main closet. And we swing around here into the main living area. It's like a sitting area, I guess. So this is just adjacent to the hallway as we came in, as you can see. And then this comes right into the dining room. So already we've got some ideas happening about knocking out some walls and opening the space up a little bit more. I have to stop and show you this funky piece right here. Isn't that cool? Not the right room for it, but it fits in there pretty great, and that's always fun to see. So then we come right into the kitchen. So this is the existing space here, and I think this wall, we've pretty much decided this footprint's going to stay as is with the sink and the dishwasher, and this back wall looks pretty good, and pretty much decided already, been here about maybe 20 minutes, half an hour, that this wall is going to come out, and we're going to come, imagine this all going away and bringing those cabinets right out along this wall, right up next to that dining window. So that should open it up quite nicely and make it pretty. There's patio doors here that we're going to update. Beautiful deck here that our client's already done himself. So this is a great spot. And he's got lots of pretty seating here. I know that's kind of looking right into the sun there, but you get the idea. So this is the existing eating space in the kitchen. And just want to show you this funky little fixture here. And then this open space looking down into the main family room. So we're just going to go back down this hall. Check out this staircase, somebody's been busy with the paint. So we're going to do some correcting here. And then we've just got a couple of steps down here. And we're going to change that sight line ahead of us in the dining room. But let's just go to this family room space here first. So we've got some pretty big furniture pieces here to work with. And we've got a problem in here with layout. Nice window that maybe we could feature a little bit better. Fireplace that's been somewhat funked up, but we need to do something more with that. And then this wall here for the TV. So this is a really big unit here on this wall, and the layout in this room is going to be a challenge. I can see that already, but we're up for it. We're going to bring a nice color palette throughout here. We're going to do some new flooring throughout, get rid of that carpet. And so here, and I'm sorry, I'm here by myself and I haven't figured out where all the lights are here. Oh, there's some lighting that might help make it a little better. So we've got a small, oh, my hand keeps getting in the way there, sorry. We've got a small little washroom here. Nothing too exciting going on there. And then straight ahead is this laundry room. And this is definitely a flash from the past. We've got just some pretty wild profile cabinets here. And that's kind of interesting for the bar, for hanging. But I really want to give you a close-up on this wallpaper. And somebody worked really hard covering up this plate as well. So that kind of made me smile. And we've got just some old linoleum flooring here as well. So we're going to make this pretty and clean this space up. There's the steps going back up again. There's a lower level that I'm not going to show you that the homeowner's already redone. So that's pretty nice to see. So here's our sight line looking back out to the entry. And then we go upstairs. Again, we really need correction here on a couple things with those stairs. So coming here into the right is the master, and we hope to do something kind of nice in here. It's not a bad space, not a bad layout. It's got a pretty big bed in here. I'm sorry, I'm not finding any lighting. So we'll just do the best that we can. So we're gonna deal with some popcorn ceilings throughout most of this space. There's a lot of them in this house. We've got a nice big closet. And then we've got a little bit of wall space here that we hope to claim and make this other little tiny powder room. It's not a powder room, there's actually a shower in this one. Let's see if I can even get in here and show you how tiny this little shower door is. Look at that shower. So we're hoping to blow this back out and use some of that space on this other wall and make that a little nicer and give that a nice update with some modern glass door shower going on. These two bedrooms have been done already. I'll just give you a quick peek at what's happened here. So we've got a nice palette with the gray, just nice neutrals. And this room's been all done already, so I'm not really invited into there. This would be the main bathroom, so we want to do something in here definitely with this vanity. And we're going to try and get rid of the these lights. And the tub's not too bad. We'll talk about what we can and can't do in here. And again, some flooring updates as well. And sorry, I'm just swinging around here. So this is the look of the hallway going back down. Interesting angle here on this banister. And then this is the view looking back down. So that's tour of the befores.